Can you upgrade your RAM? Short answer: usually yes, especially desktops and mini laptops. First, identify your device, desktop or laptop. Upgradability depends on that. On Windows, open Task Manager. On Mac, open About This Mac to see current RAM. Physically locate the RAM. Desktops use DMM modules. Laptops often use SODIMM modules. Count the slots and note which are empty or occupied by modules. Read the module labels for form factor, speed, and capacity before buying. Check your motherboard or laptop manual and the manufacturer's website for the maximum RAM. Remember, some laptops have soldered RAM or BIOS limits you can't change. If upgradable, match the module form factor, speed, and voltage. Mixing speeds can downclock. Power down, unplug, and ground yourself. Open the case or access panel carefully. Insert the new RAM evenly into the slot until the side clips snap into place. Boot, enter BIOS or system info, confirm the new capacity. Done.